Hi everyone and welcome to the Learning Ladder. Today I'm really excited to do an unboxing. This is the Fairy Loot books subscription box. I have a one-off box, so I don't have the monthly subscription, although I wish I could because it's amazing. But I actually got this for my Christmas present, their one-off box for January. The theme is Talk Fairy to Me. Now I love everything butterfly and I love everything fairy. So let's open it and see what's inside. I can't wait. Okay, we're ready. Oh, so pretty. I love the story that they have in here. Now we've got a beautiful card, and on the back it tells you all the information about what the items are, so I'm not going to look at that right now because I want a surprise. That's a lovely illustration. So cool. I love the colours. Right. Ooh. So the first thing I can see is a candle, and this is clove, oak, wood, moss, leather, black pepper and pine. I'm just going to have that smell. And it's all glittery. Oh, it smells so good. It's very, I can definitely smell the pepper and the pine. Really refreshing. I'm just fishing through. And, oh, we got some lip balm. Sealy. Oh, that's so cool. I love the Shadow Hunter series. And this is, let's have a look. Ooh, apple flavour. Okay, and what else do we have? I'm just going to take the obvious thing out. We've got a gorgeous pillow, and it's a quote from Sarah J Maas, and it's only you can decide what breaks you. Oh, I love it, I love it, I love it. It's absolutely stunning. This was one of the reasons why I tried to get the box, because it said it had a pillowcase, and I love my pillowcases, and they make beautiful ones. So excited. Okay, the next thing we've got are some bookmarks, and the magnetic ones. I've wanted these for absolutely ages. I keep seeing them on a lot of the hauls, the unboxings, and I've never had them in mine. So cool, I love them. Okay, and then we've got, oh, a Fairyland Mythical Beasts to Colour book. Oh wow, that is great. Oh, that is so cool. Yay, I'm excited. I love it. Okay, and then we've got We All Tell the Truth as We See It, Do We Not? Cassandra Clare. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm definitely putting that on my bookshelf. That is stunning. Oh, I love it. Okay, and there's another one as well. Do not lose your heart to a fairy prince. It never ends well. Oh wow, that's amazing. I love it. And now we have the book. Now, I had a feeling of what it might be. I so hope I'm right. Let's find out. Okay, the book is... I already know because I can peep. I can see the name. It is... It's really hard to do this one hand. Oh, I'm so excited. The Cruel Prince by Holly Black. I so wanted it to be this book. And it is. I'm so excited. I keep seeing everyone raving about it on BookTube, so I am absolutely thrilled that I got it. I can see why humans succumb to the beautiful nightmare of the court, and why they willingly drown in it. Oh, so let's read. Of course I want to be like them. They are beautiful as blades forged in some divine fire. They will live forever, and Cardan is even more beautiful than the rest. I hate him more than all the others. I hate him so much that sometimes when I look at him I can hardly breathe. One terrible morning, Jude and her sisters see their parents murdered in front of them. The fearsome assassin abducts all three girls and brings them to the world of fairy, where Jude is installed into the royal court. Mocked and tormented for being merely mortal, Jude soon realises that to survive in this treacherous, dangerous new world, she needs to be as smart, cunning and deceitful as the Fae themselves. But the stairway to power is fraught with shadows and betrayal, and looming over all is the infuriatingly arrogant and charismatic Prince Cardan. Jude must take the utmost care. Ooh, beautiful. Is there anything on here? After the Caraval I always check. No, but it is a lovely cover. Can't wait to read it, and you know what's going to be on my TBR for February. The Cruel Prince. Let's see what else is in here. Oh, we've got a letter from the author, which is fab. The Fairy Scoop. And where's my bookmark? I've got my Fairy Loot reader code. Oh, there's my bookmark. I've got another picture and the signed book plate for my book. So let's have a look at the original card. Meraki candles, I don't know how you pronounce that. To bring you the exclusive Prince card and candle. We asked Holly Black what he would smell like and created his candle using the scent she provided. Doesn't it smell amazing? It actually really does. Okay, the Geeky Clean did the lip balm. And the colouring book is by Michael O'Mara. And then we've got the magnetic bookmarks brought to you by Dreamy & Co. And yes, I thought they were. They're from the Court of Thorns and Roses trilogy. Wow, we've got some 2R prints. And the book. Oh, I love it. Okay, so we've got the pillowcase. Gorgeous. The prints. The colouring book. Bookmark. The candle. The lip balm. The book. And the signed author letter. So I think that was a very good box. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you soon. Bye for now.